What is up, everybody? So Figma Draw just released, and they have this new tool called the texture brush, and it's really powerful. I love it, but they give you a certain amount of actual brush textures to use, but there's not many. So I created my own texture brushes, which is something you could do, and these are in the form of paintbrush strokes. I literally got paint with paintbrushes and other media and just made these little strokes. The way you do this is I scanned it, and then I imported it into Adobe Illustrator, vectorized it, and then created the brushes. So if you want to gain access to these brushes and also learn how to create your own, just stick around. In this video or somewhere near it, I'm going to link a Figma community file where you can get these stretch brushes right here that I created. And when you get them, and the way you import them into your project so you can use them, is to switch over to the brushes page, and you'll see all these brushes right here. And these are live brushes that you can then use. So let's say you want to try maybe, I don't know, this one and this one. Well, over in your Figma document, after you copy those brush strokes, all you have to do is simply paste them in. That is it. And so after pasting, all you have to go is maybe to like this tool right here, your brush tool, and you'll see either at the top or the bottom, you'll see brush 13, brush 17, and now you can start to use these for your own projects. So if you're not aware of what the brush tool is yet, it's this tool. So you can create some really cool different aesthetics for illustrations, identity designs, anything like that. So the way you could create your own, and this is a little pro tip, is you don't even have to use, like the paint brushes or whatever. You can actually create some really interesting, non-traditional media type of brush strokes, and you can use AI to do it, which is crazy. So I'm going to show you an example real quick. And right here, this is the prompt. So I just copied and pasted one of my own little brush strokes I created. And I said, this is the Figma Draw texture brush I created for use in the new stretch brush tool. Can you generate some of your own? Okay, so here's one that it generated. This would work perfectly fine. All you would do is just right click, copy this, import it into something that can vectorize from a raster graphic like Adobe Illustrator. And then you just copy the vectorized version of this, paste it into Figma, right click, choose create texture brush, and there you go. It's all ready to go. And now you can actually create your own texture brush packages, and that way you can advertise your design business of some sort. So that's just a kind of a marketing hack that you can use, because I know this one's going to be popular anyway. So anyhow, real quick video there. I will talk to you very soon. Goodbye. If you enjoyed this video, check out DesignCourse.com, where you can learn UI, UX, CSS, and more with my custom interactive platform that makes learning fun and easy.